In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail account password without old password or without current password. I mean, you don't need any password for changing your Gmail account password. And I will also show you how can you see your Gmail account password if you forget it. So let's start the process. So first of all, you'll need to go to Play Store, and after that, just make sure you updated your Gmail application first. So after updating your Gmail application, just click here Open option. Then click here this profile icon. This is mine, so let me click this one. And after that, choose your Gmail account. I mean, whose Gmail account password you want to change. So I want to change my this Gmail account password. So after that, let me click here Manage your Google account. Then go to Security and Sign In, this option. Then scroll down. Then click here Password. And sometimes it asks for your verification. So if it asks, just give here your fingerprint, either password. So right now you can see I get this kind of interface, which is new password option and confirm new password option. So you can change it right now without any old or current password. And if you somehow want to see your Gmail account password, that time let me show you how can you do that. Just go to your Google Chrome browser. After that, click here this three dot line. Then click here Settings. Then scroll down, then click here Google Password Manager. And after that, let me click here this gmail.com. Then give my fingerprint. And you can see there is my Gmail, which is Ivan Austin 876, and there is my password. So I can copy it from there, I mean by clicking this. And if I want to see this password, that time just click this one and you will see your Gmail account password. Okay, so let me go to my this password changing option, and let me give password. And remember one thing, just give some small letter, some capital letter, and some number, okay, so that no one can hack your Gmail account. So let me give my password in here. So after giving my password, just click here change password, and you can see your password was just changed. So let me click here close, and let me refresh this page, and now you can see last change password right now. So this is it, guys. So by this easiest process, you can change your password and you can also see your password. So thank you so much for watching this video.